Hello, what's up my good people? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending on the time that I'm watching this vlog for. My good name is Paul Africa. Welcome again to my channel. Here is a village boy from Africa, from Kenya, East Africa. I'm gonna say thanks to God for this day, for keeping us alive, for allowing us to see today's day, being it's on Saturday. May say happy Sabbath to those who are going to worship today, and also for those who are preparing for that tomorrow's service. Also wish them happy Sunday. So guys, one-on-one on this day is gonna talk the nature of the village here I am. Remember, I'm like 200 meters to Nyambohanse. So I'm at Isibania, place called Isibania, border Kenya, border Tanzania. Yeah, I'm here. So today I'm gonna share with you this special video or special blog I'm gonna share with you is all about the nature, the river, and what's overcooking here. Being it's July, and for us here in Africa, or not even Africa, here in Kenya, most of us we understand it is this season is the sunny season. The sunny season. Even if we try to see some of the videos in United States, it's so sunny. Even somebody try to walk on the tarmac road, he found himself that the treads, all it's the mark of the shoe that he or she wearing. I think you understand me there. So this time round now, it's too sunny, it's too hot. Even you can't imagine somebody went out of the house, try to seek for the good shade to sit, because it's too hot. You can't stay in the house. Here we take shower 2 times. Even you can go even 3 times. Can't imagine. You can go 3 times. So sad. But we thank God that we are alive, and everything gonna be sorted soon. Everything gonna be okay. Anything we do, we thank God. Anything it comes with a purpose. So does not need to regret the nose to say what's this. It is or it is. We say like that. So guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Paul Africa here. It's the first time meeting this face. How can I name my face? I can name it this smiley face. If you find this face, maybe it's the first time being in my channel, maybe the first time meet the smiling face. Guys, go and subscribe, comment, like and share. Also mostly here you can share more. Just go and share more as you can, my friend, my people, my good people, my returning viewers and my returning subscribers. Go and do something. Share, We're almost there. Share, we get that 4,000 watching hour. We're not looking for that, guys, but now because I've already get 1,000 subscribers, we only get for watching hour, 4,000 watching hour. We're almost there. We got it there. Guys, let's go. Let's click that button of sharing. Let's click that button. Let's go there, guys. So let me share with let me share with you whatever is just here. So guys, this is the river. The seasonal river. This river is connect from the border going up to where? Does it go in there? I don't think like. I don't think. I'm thinking of that river is going up to River YouTube. River YouTube. The one Mara named YouTube. At Marwa Severa. I'm thinking. But I don't think so. I don't think. No, it's not going there. Okay, this river is coming from all the way from town. I think there's a day I shown where this comes from. Going up to Lake Victoria. For those who have been in Lake Victoria, this river is just going up to there. Lake Victoria connects to that Lake Victoria. It's coming all the way from border town all the way to Migori. For those who know Migori, I think some of the one has been in Nyaboanse, so they have been in Mabera, they have been in not Nyaboanse again, they have been at Migori. There's that big river we call River Migori. I think somebody has shared a video. River Migori all the way to Lake Victoria now. Like I think that the big lake here in Kenya. So this water comes all the way, as you can see. This water all over there, as you can see over there, all the way here. When it's raining season, this water cover all over here. Imagine, guys, all over here. But now it's the sunny season. Just see small water, very little one. As you can see the way they are flowing. I think there's a day shown you the speed of this water while it's raining season. But now see even the speed, very slow, very slow one. But we know it's going to rain very soon. So guys, it is the harvesting season. But they have harvest, so they are waiting for the rain to rain so that they can dig out to start planting now maize. So guys, this is how the river it is. This is how it is. Looks very nice, very supernatural way. Imagine, guys, in like 2 years ago, 5 years, I think it is 5. You can't imagine I was taking here shower here. I was taking shower here. It is a nice place. Nobody disturb you. You understand? It's a nice place. When it's raining season, guys, you can't even put your phone near that. The water comes with a high speed. But for now, until my phone is just moving. Now I'm using phone with taking video. I don't have the camera. You can't imagine, guys. I was taking a shower here like 5 years ago. Things change, things goes and change. Yeah, this is the stone that you stand. Let me show you clear. Now here guys, you stand here, you put your soap over here. You stand here, you put your soap over here or here. Your clothes. Where are you taking from? You are putting clothes. Where? Oh, you are putting clothes. You are putting clothes over here. Now you take shower. Things keep on changing every day. Okay guys, things keep on changing every day. Every day things keep on changing. But usually we have to go the way or how the way things it is. And it was not like this. This area was covered with some bushes, but as you can see, they have already cut it down. They have now they are planting. They are planting maize. You see, it's not only here that is being covered. Only here there were so many bushes. Yeah, this is the road now. Just using this route. This route is just connecting up to Tarmac Road over there. Okay guys, let me show you the next point where I was taking shower. Now it is morning. It is just around, let me see, it's just around 10:20 a.m. just morning here. Wow. So here is another place where I was taking shower. Here is another place guys, but nowadays it's not clean. As you can see, it's not clean. There's see the way it is, some more shaggy, looking shaggy, very dirty, you see. And as I tell you, when it's raining season guys, what I saw over there. Now, just see if you can hear that sound very slowly. That is clear indication that it's very sunny here. It's very sunny here, and the rain just rained around 2 weeks ago, but now. So guys, this is the next. This is another place where I was taking shower. Just stand over there. You put your clothes over there, up. You put your soap here, and your whatever. Start taking up. This is a plenty. This is water. See that's the way it's so clean. There's a plenty of water. It takes shower and kill you. You see now, I'm good to go. You see, nobody is harassing you now. Take shower to take. There's many places here. For example, the one I show you there at first, another is up there. Now this is the second one here. Another one is around down there. I'm gonna show you all. the the shower point where I was taking shower. No, things change. Things change every day. Every day when we wake up, found things have changed. Just found that this one have gone, this one have gone. That's the key. Things keep on changing. And guys, what we really say thanks to God, to our Almighty God, for always keeping our life to see what is just changing every day. We really thank God for that everything. We really thank God for keeping us alive. And for us being alive, here what we need is only thanking God and praying so hard, because minus him couldn't be here. I couldn't even record such video, or I couldn't even show you this amazing river. This river Yao connect to Lake Victoria there, the way I've shown you. This river Yao is amazing, a good river. It has a good scenery where you can come and sit, come with your friend or your partner, you just share good moment of it, you see. So guys, no, I was watching there's a video I've watched through Instagram. The video I watched through my Instagram. No, people have wonders. This way, they say that wonders shall not end. Indeed. How do you think wonders to end? And we still here in the world. Still live with the people who makes wonders every day. Wonders shall not end for sure. Shouldn't end. Because for example, me, I actually wonder with the people, guys. I don't know if you have seen that such thing at your village or around you, people around you. Guys, somebody is crying, or somebody is saying that I don't have shoes. And for sure that those people, like here in Kenya, is a place called West Africa. In Kenya, here in Kenya, West Kenya, Western. Not East Kenya. People are really suffered. They don't have shoes. When somebody surprises you with the shoes, when it's not good or does not fit you well, start now crying, start now praying here and there. You couldn't bring me this. You could have contacted me or said to me that I want to bring. Guys, that's not good. Somebody is crying that this food is not enough for me, and there are those people, or those children, they are so need of food. They're so hungry. They need food. They don't need anything. They just need food. And somebody is there, or she's there, claiming that this food is not good, can't sustain me. I sympathize with the people outside here. I really sympathize. There are those people that they can't even talk. But you have that energy. to talk or to speak. Can't even say amen to God. Can't even say amen to God. I really sympathy with the people. Let me show you something here. Let me capture with you something. I don't know if there is a big mood where it is. Yeah, this one here. There's a pig up, as you can see, looking very nice, very smart. Wow, it is so far, that's why I'm trying to view from far. So it's a good nature. Birds are here. Has a good air. No any disturbance here. Nobody come to disturb you. You just come and sit, do whatever. Like me, I'm just here. It's just a morning hour. I'm just here taking this beautiful video for you. Let's go. Let's continue going, guys. Let's continue going. Show you. Now, let me show you where I was swimming. Oh yeah. Here in the village, you don't go for swimming pool. You have a free swimming pool here. You call it the free swimming pool. Let me show you the free swimming pool, guys. That's the free swimming pool over there. Very nice one, very good one. You see? We call it here in the village. You know, we usually swim there. Like when we were kids, we usually come when it's not time for school. We usually come, we just swim there. The water was all over, but by now some stones are there. You can't even swim. We were swimming. We were so many. Now when you grow, you separate. Some of people will separate, you know. But we were so many. We were swimming here. That's the first. We call it swimming pool. That's our first swimming pool. Our village swimming pool. Our village swimming pool. That's the first one. Let me show you. Let me show you the second swimming pool. Let me show you. Let me show you the second swimming pool. It's just around. It is just around. So guys, if your first time being in my channel, first time see this smiling face, just go and click that button, subscribe, like and share as we grow together. Remember, you are there, you are catching the point, guys. Click that button. Let's help each other. If you don't want even to share my video, just share to your brother, the one you will able to see or to be entertained with my video. Share to him or her. Maybe we'll enjoy the good video that I'm really showing you. So guys, let's go. Come with me. I show you a nice swimming pool. Yeah. Actually, there were three. As you can see, the third one is like not there. Not the power of water. All that speed when it's raining season. So guys, back of me Here is our second swimming pool, village swimming pool. So when we were many, we were dividing ourselves. Some go up there, swim up there, and the other ones come here. Like me, I like to swim here. I like to swim in here. And down here, we also have some good way, but for now, as you can see, it's not good. No, rain has come, has moved all the way, all the stones away, up down there. That's we call it the power of water. The power of water. Water, even water have power. Wow. They have learned so many things, because it's like 5 years since I wasn't here. So I can see the power of water now. And here has a good what I call it, a good bush. And there is a good is if somebody can build here a hotel, people can come and enjoy here. You see? No, there are lots of people liking this one. This sitting at a silent place. Like me, I like sitting at a silent place. I don't know why. I like sitting at a silent where is no disturbance, no noise. I just hear that noise of water. You see? You hear? Let me show you. Yeah, I just hear that. Now I'm good. I normally like hearing that sounds. So it sounds good. Like those of birds. Being that the birds are away now, they are away. Can't hear them. Yeah, I like sitting here when maybe when the time I'm not in a good mood. I come and sit here. I call myself a meeting. You know, I like calling myself a meeting before I do something. I call myself for a meeting, for a serious meeting. I just discuss 1 to 2 things. When I'm good, when I'm full, all satisfied with the results, I just now walk away. Just walk away and do some 1, 2, and 3 when up. No? It is morning hour, but breathe hope. Today I'm wearing breathe hope. The breathe hope. I'm thinking of getting Brazil t-shirt. I like that country. And also I have USA. I have one of USA. I have one of USA. But I'm thinking of getting Brazil, Uganda. Yeah, Brazil and Uganda. And the one of Colombia. But first, if not today, tomorrow or the other day, I'm gonna get that Brazil t-shirt. Looking really amazing to me. I'm going to get it. So guys, click the button. Just share. And then maybe if not tomorrow, the other day, the next day, I will be on live. I will be arriving the house. I will live streaming the house. Wow, I've seen something here good. No, that's why I like sitting here. I've seen something good. Let me show you. Let me share with you. What is nice is a mango tree, and over there, here, pawpaw tree. Pawpaw. Wow, very nice. And it's so surprising that they are grown on top of stones. Guys, see that miracle. See on this one. Wow. I'm gonna uplift them. I plant them on my our home there. I'm gonna uplift them. I think on Monday I will take them, because today I have a lot to do, so I can't take them. So guys, let's go. We're here again. Sorry. We're here in the forest. This is our amazing forest. This is our amazing forest. Guys, remember also I have on the project that it is ongoing. It is a serious project. I don't want to drag it behind. I think there's a video even I did for it. Yeah, the last video. I think it's the last video I did. Guys, if you feel like helping, or have been touched, your heart has been touched, love helping or raising your hand for it, guys, just go and look at that video and see the way the project is going. Right now we have timber, and also we have timber. Timber is ready, and we have what we call iron sheets. You only remember the 4 iron sheets. One of you, a good friend of ours, just give us 4 iron sheets. A good friend of mine, okay, let me mention with this. She give us 3 iron sheets, not 4 iron sheets. Remember, we are remaining with 8 iron sheets, so he give us 4, remain 4. What will remain by now is that 4 iron sheets, and yeah, that 4 iron sheets, and also money for those masons. Yeah, money for those masons. After finishing that, me as myself, I'll stand on food for those masons, and after that we remain with the doors and the window. Also have 3 doors and 1 window. If you've touched with that, guys, my number is always on. That's the number that I also put down there. It's for WhatsApp, it's for M-Pesa here in Kenya, or you can even text him on WhatsApp. We share, even not even helping with some amounts, but even discuss some few things, or giving a preach, you know. Here we are, we here helping each other, guys. We are helping each other, and also discussing some online things, and also sharing. If one is not giving it 100% by bridging, you know, we call it a promise, by promising that maybe between this month or this year I will give you something. But for now, guys, the big problem we have now in our project, the big problem we have, guys, is those what windows, and getting some what, getting some 30 bags of cement. That's the tough process that we have. That's the big process that we have, guys. Getting that bag of cement and those windows, because right now the window is almost just around 100 USD one window, not window, door, one door, 100 USD, and the door is 50 USD. And for now, like the cements here is around 10 USD. Yeah, 10 USD. Yeah, one bag of cement is 10 USD, I think so, because things keep on changing. Also, we have the nails. We have already buy the nails and some other things. For those who are supporting, guys, I may say thanks. May God be with you. May God bless you. Whenever you move, let God add on top of it. Add many things. And also let God do great things to your family, to your work, and add many things on you, because you really shown me some loves. You really uplift me from where I was. First, just thank God for everything that you keep doing onto us, guys. I'm on the forest. I normally work with this stick, helping me holding even this is a what, how do you call it, a firewood. Here in Africa, this is a firewood, so I may take it to my mom's house so that it can help me while she's cooking food. I usually, even me, I know how to cook. I do cook some good meal. I also cook with I remember I've shown you some of the video that I'm cooking. I've already shared with you. Yeah, so guys, let me emphasize on this, guys. For those who are helping, kindly, my number is always there. I normally keep my number there, and it's visible to anyone. So kindly just go and share. Just go and text me on WhatsApp, or share, or just send any you have. Even if it is 1 USD. I will say thanks. Usually thanks. Give thanks to the what you have give. Because that one USD have given, or one what, you have people from Spain, people from many countries that watch this. If you given even one bob does good, because you couldn't have it one bob. Yeah, your hand, you have just stretch your hand up to that way, you see. So guys, one thing that I want to emphasize is, may say thanks for the subscribing, for being what, for those subscribers, and for those who are helping us, for our good people who really shown us a good love since I was 130 subscribers, and for now, imagine we are 1360. We are getting of 1500 subscribers. Thanks God, thanks for those who are subscribing. May God bless you, may God be with you guys. So I'm gonna end this video. Kindly just go and do some amazing things to this channel and for the project. Right now we are one that we're gonna look for it right now. Just go do some good work for this, some good things about it, guys. Let's get 4,000 viewers by sharing, by watching, and can be there. May say thanks for those who do keeps on doing my things on this channel. I will say bye. May God be with you, may God bless you, may God protect you, and give more in what you do, in what you want, guys, in your lives. As you're waiting for the next vlog, it will be so amazing, guys. Keep on waiting for the amazing vlog that is coming. May God be with you, may God bless you, may God bless you, and may God keeping you alive, so that you can be celebrate for each other success in every day. Bye. Let's meet on the next vlog, guys. Think it is in evening around there, if not evening, tomorrow morning. Bye. May God be with you. See you.